This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
So let's see, what else happened? Oh, I have a friend in Texas. She's an older woman that's halfway between my mother's age and mine. So when I kind of inherited her from my mom, and then when my mom passed on, then she and I continued the friendship. And she knows that I'm very much into natural healing. So she texted me one day and she says, I was just diagnosed with breast cancer. Do you have anything for that? I said, I do, but I don't have anyone that I've tried it on. So I can't tell you, yes, I know it works. No, it doesn't. I said, are you game? And she said, yes. She was a stage 2. So she wasn't at the deadly end yet, but she was a stage 2. In about, let me try to remember. There's so many stories. I think hers was about 5 months, 5.5 maybe. She was declared cancer-free, breast cancer. So I'm like, yes. So now I can tell people, yes, I know this protocol works. Will it work on everyone? Maybe not. Everyone is different. And the thing about the energy protocols is they have different, you try this one first. If that one doesn't work, you try this one. Usually there's 3. And you try them in that order. As I said, hers worked perfectly on the first line protocol.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.